Welcome to Blessedluv. Today, we're going to talk about synthetic wigs and a simple technique to tint the lace for a more natural look. So grab your foundation and makeup sponge, and let's get started. First, it's important to choose a foundation shade that matches your skin tone. This will ensure a seamless blend between your natural skin and the lace of the wig. Apply the foundation onto the lace, just like you see me doing here. Remember, we're not going to rub it in, but rather gently pat it onto the lace. Why is patting instead of rubbing important? Well, even though synthetic wigs are designed to mimic real hair, there's still a chance that some strands may poke through the lace if you rub too vigorously. By patting the foundation, we minimize this risk and create a more flawless finish. This simple method of tinting your lace is incredibly easy and effective. You might have seen me use the same technique on our human hair wigs in previous videos. It works like a charm. Now, you might be wondering whether it's necessary to tint the sides of the lace that won't be visible when you wear the wig. Well, I debated this myself, but in the end, I decided to go ahead and tint the entire lace area. By doing so, you ensure a consistent look throughout the wig, even if some parts aren't immediately visible. It's all about attention to detail. Hit the like button if you're getting value so far on this video I made for you. As you repeat the tinting process on the other side, take your time and be gentle with the application. This way, you'll achieve a beautifully blended lace that seamlessly disappears into your skin. Unlock a world of lace wigs and expertise by subscribing to our channel. We promise to make you feel more confident when wearing your wig. We will now focus on how to tidy up your lace cap and remove any excess foundation that may have stained the seams. Don't worry, it's a breeze, and all you'll need are some trusty baby wipes. Why is it important to tidy up your lace cap now, you may wonder? Well, over time, foundation can accumulate along the seams, making your wig look a bit messy. By giving it a quick clean, you'll restore its pristine appearance, leaving you with a flawless and stain-free cap. These magical little wipes work wonders when it comes to removing foundation stains. They're gentle on the lace and won't cause any damage to your precious wig. Plus, they're easily accessible and affordable too. Take a baby wipe and gently wipe along the seams of your cap. You'll be amazed at how effortlessly the foundation comes off. The baby wipes effectively lift the stains, leaving your cap looking fresh and clean. Just a few gentle swipes, and voila! Stain-free perfection. Look for wipes that are fragrance-free and hypoallergenic, as they tend to be more gentle on the wig fibers. Taking care of your synthetic wig is crucial to maintain its longevity and keep it looking fabulous for longer. Now, here's a helpful tip for when you turn your wig around. You might notice some foundation residue on your hair. Don't panic. It's actually very easy to remove. All you need are your baby wipes again. Grab a baby wipe and gently rub off the foundation from your hair. Keep doing this until all the foundation is completely removed. The baby wipes are gentle enough to not damage the wig fibers, but effective in getting rid of any excess foundation. By incorporating this simple step into your wig care routine, you'll ensure that your lace cap remains in top-notch condition. No more worrying about foundation stains ruining your wig's appearance. Instead, you can confidently rock your synthetic wig with pride, knowing that it's flawlessly clean and pristine. You can visit our website to view our new luxury synthetic wig collection. Our synthetic wigs are made from high-quality, heat-resistant Kanekalin fibers, offering a durable, non-toxic, and lightweight alternative to human hair wigs. They are natural-looking with customized hairline. When you wear your wig, it will look extremely natural, like human hair growing from your scalp. Our synthetic hair is the perfect choice if you are on a budget or seeking frequent hairstyle changes, without compromising on styling flexibility. This is one of our luxurious balayage synthetic wigs. Perfect for adding a touch of elegance to your look without paying the high price. I will add her link in the description below for you. And there you have it. A quick and simple way to tint the lace on your synthetic wig. By following these steps, you'll achieve a more natural look and feel confident wearing your wig. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't be discouraged if it takes a few tries to get the technique just right. With time and patience, you'll become a pro at applying foundation to your synthetic wigs. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more wig-related tips and tricks. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below about this video or any future video you would like me to make for you. I love hearing from you.